Хайде in Bulgarian. It's something you hear all the time around you, but how to use it and why sometimes it can confuse you and it can have different meanings. Let's see in this video. Let's start with this, that you can hear it, different variations of Хайде. So Хайде with H in the beginning, it's the official way to use the word, but very often we Bulgarians, even me myself including, we say to be short, to be quick, айде, айде, let's go, айде, айде. It gets worse. We can even say are. I know it doesn't have many things how it can be айде and are, but yes, are, it's are, are. So it's the same thing with айде. Айде can be the beginning of a process, okay? For example, Хайде, let's go. Let's start a process, okay? Let's start something. Or for example, we are doing it. Айде, правим го, okay? So beginning of a process. Айде, surprisingly enough, can be also the end of a process. For example, we're sitting on a table and we say, айде, let's go. Айде, let's wrap it up. Let's finish it. Or imagine your child is playing on a playground and you say, Хайде, тръгваме, let's go. We're leaving, we're finishing. So, айде, we can use it for the beginning of a process and we can use it for the end of a process. I know, pay attention how the person is saying it with what intonation so that you can understand the meaning of it. Айде can be when you want someone to hurry up. Again, the example with your child, you can say, Хайде, Хайде, finish your meal, Хайде, Хайде, speed up, okay? So you can say, Хайде, Хайде, Хайде. When you say in English, for example, let's go, in a way, faster, speed up the process, okay? Хайде also can mean when you don't trust someone. So you can say, айде, знаем ги тези истории. So in a way, yeah, we know these stories. Okay, right, yeah, I trust you. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, like in a way, when you a little bit joke with the person and when you say, I don't believe it's like this, so come on, please. So come on can be actually a very good translation how in English we use it for actually everything. Again, beginning of a process, end of a process, when you want someone to speed up or when you don't trust someone. Come on, yeah, right, you're saying it like in a correct way. Okay, yeah, I trust you. Let us know in the comments if it makes sense for you, if you have such an expression in your language, and if now you can use it айде, хайде, or even are. Are, it's a bit more street language, okay? A bit more slang, so I'm not saying it to write it like this, no. But how can you hear it in everyday life Bulgarian? Is it useful for you to make more everyday life Bulgarian expressions like this or sentences? Let us know in the comments and we can make more videos so that it can be helpful for you.